Hey hi guys, welcome to Automation Club. Let's learn some more topic on Protector with Cucumber framework. So in this session, I will cover before and after hook in Cucumber and how to use that and where it can be implemented. Also I will show how to take screenshot for failure cases and attach in report. Okay, so basically before and after hooks are used for prerequisite and post operations. Suppose before starting any of the scenario, if we want to delete cookies, so we can do that in before hook. And suppose after finishing the scenario, we want to take a screenshot at the end of the step, or suppose if we want to take the screenshot in failure, so we can do that in after hook. So I will show you how to do that. So go to step definition file and add a hook for before. Okay, so in before we will add function. Okay, so in before what we can do, for example, delete cookies, right? So browser dot manage dot delete all cookies. So this is the method for deleting the cookie. So before starting any of the scenario, it will come to this block and do the operations, and then it will move to scenarios to execute. Okay, and similarly we do have after hook. So let me write that. Sync function. So in after hook, I want to take the screenshot. Okay, so for taking the screenshot, in case of failure, we need a result of the scenario, right, for each step. So that will be stored in scenario. Okay, and what it does is like a scenario is having a result of each step. Okay, whether that is pass or fail. So we will validate if the result is scenario dot result, right, dot status. So if it is pass, sorry, it is if it is fail, then uh, there is a status block, status dot failed. So if it is failed, then take the screenshot. So for taking a screenshot, use a const variable screenshot, and there is very small step for taking a screenshot. Browser dot take a screenshot. So it will take the screenshot and capture in a screenshot variable, and then we can attach that in report by using this dot attach screenshot as a image png type. Okay, so what it will do, it will come to this block after running any of the scenario. It will take the result whether it is pass or fail. If it is fail, then it will take the screenshot and it will attach to the report. Okay, so once we add this after, before and scenario and status, we will get in import statement. You can see that before, after and status have been added in import statement from Cucumber. Okay, so now we'll come to the feature. So intentionally we will fail a step, like before clicking on add customer button, we will try to get the pop-up. So it should fail the test, right? So we will see how result is getting updated. Tractor JS files config. So it has started the execution, launching the URL, and then it will click on bank manager login. So it will add first name, last name and postcode, and then it will not click on add customer, and instead of that it will just wait for that pop-up and it will validate. So yes, so test has failed. See, test has failed because it was assertion like it should throw a pop-up with message, but we did not click the add customer, right? So that's why it got failed. Now we will come to the report and we will see how the report is getting reflected. See the report. Okay, so actually there are two report is getting generated with two browser. So one is version 84 and 85. So you can just ignore that because recently I just updated the browser. Okay, we'll just come to the scenario where it got failed. Let's see. First step pass, given I launched the URL and then clicked on bank manager, click on add customer and then give the details, and then this step is getting failed. Why? Because of assertion failure. Okay, so this is after block where it attached the screenshot. So this is the screenshot of failure where it was expecting a pop-up, but a pop-up did not come and it got failed and it attached the report. Okay, so this is how it will look in after block. Okay, so we can attach a screenshot for pass step as well. Like suppose if we want to add the screenshot at the end of the step, right, at the last step, if you want to take some pass step screenshot. Okay, so that also we can do by just changing this step status dot passed. Okay, so this is how we can use before and after hook, and we can attach the screenshot for failure cases. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.